Good evening to Madam Francesca. Today I will present about the road transportation. For the first slide, I will explain about the introduction of road transportation. Road transportation is refers to the movement of people and goods from one location to another using the roads. Road transportation is important because it is used in our daily life and supports many businesses and logistics activities. Therefore, road transportation plays an important role in connecting people, businesses, and different locations. For example, goods can be transported by a lorry from one distance to another distance and delivered to the supermarket and shop. Next, I will explain about the characteristics of the road transportation. The first characteristic is flexibility. Road vehicles can use the different routes depending on the traffic and the road condition. Second, door-to-door service. Goods can be collected from one location and delivered directly to the customer's address. Third, wide accessibility. Road can connect both of urban and rural areas. Fourth, road transportation is suitable for short and medium-distance journeys. Finally, there are different types of vehicles that can be selected according to the transport needs. Now I will present about the types of road transportation. There are several types of road transportation. Firstly, it is the private vehicles. Second is the public buses. The third one is taxis and e-hailing services. Fourth is trucks and lorries. Fifth is van. Lastly, it is motorcycles. Next, I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages of road transportation. For the first advantages of road transportation is high flexibility. It is because the vehicle can choose the different routes and schedule. Second one, road transportation provides door-to-door delivery which makes the transportation more convenient. Third, it has wide accessibility and it can reach places that may not have railway stations or airports. Fourth, it is suitable for short-distance transportation. Lastly, road transportation supports business and logistic activities by helping the companies move the product and suppliers. For the advantages of road transportation is it has a traffic congestion which can cause the delays and increase the fuel consumption. Second, it has a road accident which also can cause the injuries, damage to vehicles and the delays. Thirdly, it is air pollution, especially from the petrol and the diesel vehicles. Fourth, it has a high fuel cost that can increase the operating costs of the transportation companies. Lastly, the roads are required regular maintenance to ensure they are remain safe. Next, I will explain about the roles in logistics. For the roles in logistics is it is connect suppliers, manufacturers, warehouse retailers, and customers. Road vehicles can transport raw materials to factories and finished products to warehouses and shops. Road transportation is also important for the last mile delivery, which is the final stage of delivering goods to the customer. Therefore, Road transportation is very important efficient logistics and the delivery services. Next, I will explain about the impact of the economy. For the impact on the economy is it is support trade by moving products between the different locations. Second, it is create employment opportunities for drivers, mechanics, delivery riders, and the logistic workers. Third, it is connect the rural and urban areas that allowing people to access the job, education, and the healthcare and the market. Finally, road transportation support businesses by helping them to receive the supplies and distribute their products. Next, I will explain about the challenges. The first challenges is increasing traffic congestion. The second one is the environmental pollution vehicles. The third one is road safety. The fourth one is the increasing operation costs that include fuel and vehicle maintenance. Lastly, some areas may have poor or inadequate infrastructure. Next, I will explain about the government and ways to improve the transportation. For the government policies is it is required to have a driving license and vehicle registration. There are also road safety regulations, include speed limits and traffic rules. In addition, government invests in roads and highways to improve transportation connectivity. For the ways to improve road transportation is the government should improve and maintain roads, bridges and other infrastructure. Second one is people should be encouraged to use public transportation to reduce the number of private vehicles. Third one, the green transportation such as electric vehicles should be promoted to reduce the air pollution. Fourth, the road safety education and enforcement should be strengthened. Finally, people can use the technologies such as GPS and intelligent transportation system can be used to improve the transportation efficiency. For the conclusion, road transportation is an essential part of Malaysia transportation and logistics system. It's, it is provide flexibility, accessibility, and door-to-door service. It is also support business, trade, employment, and economic development. However, road transportation also faces several challenges such as traffic congestion, road accident, pollution, and increasing the operating costs. Therefore, better infrastructure, technology, road safety measures, and green transportation are needed to improve the road transportation system. Overall, a safe, efficient, and sustainable road transportation system can be benefit with both businesses and communities. That's all for me. Thank you.